Hello, ladies. How are you? Surprise. I am live right now. I hope that everyone gets a chance to watch this video today, tomorrow. We are coming up to a fun deadline, and that Star Consultant deadline on March 15th. And what that means is over the past quarter, the past 3 months, all of your wholesale orders have been accumulating, whether it's $50 here, $500 there, it's been accumulating this whole time. And when you reach 1,800 in wholesale orders, then Mary Kay grants you star status. And there are prizes that Mary Kay has for us, and it's a place to win because it means that you're building your business, you're moving product, you're sharing with your customers, and you're helping them fulfill all of their beauty needs from head to toe. And so you're creating customer service, you're meeting with new people, sharing the products, they're investing in skincare, and so you are creating your own business. And so you are getting profit, of course, from your sales. And in the sense of the lowest level of Star Consultant is 1,800 wholesale, which means you've retailed and sold over 3,600 in retail value of product. And so your level of profit, of course, kind of varies depending on if you give your, sister a discount, or, if you happen to give away a freebie for being a hostess or things like that. But when you do that, you're gaining profit. And when you are at the least at Sapphire Star status, it means that you are moving product, that you have a customer base, that you are growing, and that you're bringing money into your life. And so we know that money doesn't buy us happiness, it buys us choices. And it also feels good to know that our business is bringing in the income that it deserves, right? So if you are ever feeling like, you need to resell yourself on the Mary Kay business opportunity, I highly recommend that you go for Star Consultant status. So we're at the end of this quarter. Some of you are super close. Some of you are pretty far away, but you know what? That's all relative. It's what's in between our 2 years between here and March 15th. But I do want to share that, maybe set yourself up. If you are not quite at that point, set yourself up to start off the new quarter fresh, and make a plan to focus on selling at least $300 in retail product per week, which is only 2.5, thereabouts, 3 miracle sets, right? If you just focused on selling 3 miracle sets a week, and that was gaining 3 new miracle set customers a week, every single week, you would guarantee your star, and you'd guarantee that 1,800 or so in profit into your life over the next 3 months. So over the next 3 months, what could you do with that $1,800 in profit? But I want to encourage those of you who are shooting for star, and maybe if you hadn't thought about it yet, how close are you? Go ahead and go for it. So I wanted to just share with you a little twist on something that I have been doing that really helps and has decreased my expense of providing gifts to customers, and it has increased my profit and my sales. So, and especially my reorder business. And so some of you may have seen this, may have not, but I just want to go over it again because it is pretty darn simple. And this could help you to finish your star over the next couple days here. So where did it go? Here we are. I'm sharing my screen. Hold on 1 second. Oh, I see what I did. Got it. Okay. All right. So we are going to find this in just a second. Here we go. Okay. All right. It is this special deals. You guys, this is the simplest promotion. Every single time I get an order, I use this offer, and it has increased my sales dramatically. dramatically, not traumatically, dramatically. And I just want to encourage you, if you haven't jumped on this bandwagon, you need to jump on. So every consultant is eligible to provide any kind of incentive. Of course, this is your own business. You are an independent beauty consultant. However, I like to use things that are tried and true and that other people ahead of me have done and have found great success with. And so I decided to follow Monica Goubeau. She is the person who originally came up with this idea. So we want to give her credit. But she was the queen of sales for this past seminar year. And her main promotion is doing these special deals. So what it is when your customer purchases at least $50 from you, they get to select from a menu of products, and it changes every month. So this is March's special deals. And so these are the featured products that are available for your customer to select from as their half price item. And so it does go in increments. So for example, if you have a customer that purchased $100 from you, then she is eligible to pick up to 2 of these items at half price. So the beautiful part of this particular program that I love is the fact that it doesn't cost you anything. Isn't that great? It doesn't cost you anything. I am still on there. I just want to make sure that you guys can still see me. Oh, that's so funny. Yep. I'm still doing that. Okay. So it doesn't cost you anything because what's our wholesale cost? 50%, right? So instead of giving a deluxe mini, okay, let's just use that as an example. I love our deluxe minis. They are so cute. The little microdermabrasions, the little lip glosses that we have, they're fun. They're beautiful. I love them and they're great to have. However, we don't get the retail credit that would help you with your star by purchasing those and gifting them to a customer. So I would much rather give a customer a retail product that I'm getting credit for towards my star consultant at half price, which is a really great deal. It doesn't cost me anything. I'm just not making profit on that one item. Okay. But where the profit comes in is when she reorders that product and she is ordering something new that she's probably never tried before. When I share this with my customers, they're like, I didn't know you had a satin body whipped body cream. Like they don't realize that the catalog, sometimes they just stick to what they normally purchase. And so what I have found is that they tend to just try something new because it's half price. And then later on, they're ending up reordering more. So very straightforward, of course, but I just love that the items change. So one of the mistakes that I did early on, because, I'm a people pleaser and it's like twist my arm, I want to make you happy kind of thing, right? Is that I would just give them a half off item of any sort. And so what was happening before I was focusing on these special deals what was happening was that they were getting products that they normally would order at half price. And so I'm like, okay, wait a minute. This isn't growing the number of products that my customers are on. They're just getting products that they would normally order at a really big discount, which is great, but for them. However, we want to have them on several different products because we have so many great products that can help women feel and look their best, right? So why it's good to just stick with the products of the month is to help you expand your customers' usage of the product line and to try something new. Okay, so I wanted to show that to you. Now, the last little twist on this I wanted to share with you is, let me see if I can pull it up here, is a double deal day. So here, get this. Okay. So here's a fun way to kind of put a twist on this every once in a while with your customers. And I thought this would be great to finish up your star over the next couple days here. So this is just a flyer that was sent out. It said Saturday and Sunday, March 12th to 13th, double deal days. And so what this could mean is, or what this looks like is, for every $50 purchase that a customer has purchased from you, she gets 2 items at half price. So this is something that you would only do every once in a while. Like it's a very rare occasion. Now would be a great occasion to do it. But you are offering double the amount of promotional items for a couple days to wrap up a goal, to do something fun for your customers. I just think this is a great idea. So yes, this is Saturday, Sunday, the 12th to the 13th. You can do this at any time. In fact, since there's 2 days left of this Star Consultant quarter, you can go ahead and give this a try if you would like and get double deal days. Call up your customers, text them, let them know that you are running towards the finish line of a goal. And I'm going to show you the script right here. It says, hey, beautiful, it's double deals days today, tomorrow, whenever you put that in there. Insert your day. It'll say you can get 2 special deals for every $50 you purchase instead of 1. And then you put in your website, have an amazing weekend, and then obviously put her name and sign it your name. So very simple, straightforward text message that you can send out to your customers to let them know that, I'm going to stop sharing, that that you have something special going on for them. So I just wanted to share that. So I'm going to do that for the end of this quarter and also to launch the new quarter. So check where you are star point wise. And even if you're not a star or shooting for that, wouldn't it make sense to just sell some product, give back to your customers, give them a little discount, have them try something new? And overall, over time, it's going to build your customer base and it's going to build your reorders. And so you're going to make some money from it and you are going to grow your customer base. So I just wanted to share that with all of you. Tomorrow night is our Monday Night Live. I want to invite all of you to join. Mary Kay is just an amazing company, and we have people in our lives that help support us and coach us through things. And Pat Pearson is an author. She wrote the book Stop Self-Sabotage. Some of you have read it. Some of you are studying it right now. But she is a great head coach, and she's someone who's going to be popping on to our Monday Night Live tomorrow night. And so I would encourage you, if you want to come on and just join. You guys, normally she charges for events like this, and she is not. So we are blessed that another director friend of mine was able to have a conversation with her and invited her to join us, and she offered to do it for free. So we want to pack up the Zoom with your beautiful faces. And if you can't be on with your face, I understand. Just come on, turn your camera off, but just pay attention and listen. She's a great business coach, and I should say mindset coach. And so I would love for you guys to all join in and just kind of feel like you're starting fresh. The spring is coming. There's new things happening. There's that refreshing feeling of like starting over and that renewal. And so I hope that you are sensing that along with me. I'm excited about some things that are coming down the pipeline. I do have a YouTube channel that is going to be getting a makeover. And so I'm super excited about that and hope you guys decide to kind of join in on the fun with that. And it's going to be great. And so that's coming down the pipeline. And there's lots of events that are going on this month as well. So I'm just going to briefly show you here. Let me go back to share my screen. The last minute thing, I posted these, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys here. So this is the flyer for tomorrow night. There is a different Zoom than we normally have, so just make note of that. And then on the 20th, this coming Sunday, we have a detox and de-stress self-care Sunday. So this is an opportunity where you can jump in as a Mary Kay customer yourself and just learn more about our products. These are great product knowledge opportunities for you. And then those of you that want to invite guests, they can join in as well. Do they need samples? No, they don't have to have samples. If you want to send them samples, great, but you don't have to for them to get something out of the event. And then, wait a minute, I skipped over the most important one. Hello. On Tuesday, yours truly is doing a Facebook Live, and I'm doing this look. I'm doing this look that I have on right now. It is the Blur the Lines look from Mary Kay's catalog for spring, and I decided to feature this look on our makeup trends. Tutorial that I'm doing on Tuesday night. It's at 6 p.m. Pacific. So make sure that you set your notifications to pop on. We love to have the live interaction, obviously. That is great to have that on there, but you always be available to watch the replay too. But that's coming up this Tuesday. So make sure to tune in for that because I'm going to show you how to actually apply this look. And I'm also going to share the Pantone color of the year, the Pantone color of the season for spring. And so that was kind of fun for me to look up and research. So anyway, I'm excited to share that with everybody. So now I'm going to stop. Oh, was I even sharing my screen? I don't know. If I was. Anyway, so that's coming up on Tuesday. Tuesday is the color makeup trends that I'm going to be doing personally. And then also on Saturday is going to be skincare focused, detox and de-stress. So it's going to be walking through the Miracle Set plus a few other of our supplemental products that are more what do I want to call it? Med spa like products that we have in our skincare line. So jump on, learn about them, and enjoy that. And so, yay, I'm so excited that I was able to join in and share all of this with you guys. So you're going to be seeing more of me. So you're just going to have to deal with that. Okay. So I'm going to be popping up live more often. And I'm here because I love Mary Kay. I'm here because of all of you, and I love all of you. And so I want to be more a part of your lives, and I want to provide the knowledge and the motivation to have a thriving life in addition to your Mary Kay business, building and growing and being better and better. I want your life to be better and better. And so I want to share those tips with you and just get reconnected. So thank you for tuning in and watching me. I super appreciate it. Make sure that you let me know that you watched, and you'll be seeing more of me. So have a great one. Bye, guys.